the motor's up in the air.
Probably swapping out that traction motor.
Yep.
Down here, I'm going to watch it.
Uh-huh.
They're pretty deep to jack that thing anyway. That engine that's down there, one of the intermodals, 225, and it set it out here, so one of the traction motors is on fire. One of the hottest piggyback trains on the system, and it got delayed for an hour at the end of setting engine.